Gusto ni Lala Chan Kids, sarang daw muna natin ang kanyang favorite dance. Are you ready to dance again? Alright, music please. And up, and down.
Dance na ma'am.
And jump. Very good.
Sing, sing, sing. Come on and sing with me.
One more time.
I know.
Let's jump! Wait a minute!
And if love is a bright door, my friend, I'm always here to cheer you on. The kindness in everyone's heart. Hold up, dance, 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 dance. Hello, my friends, let's ooh la la. Sing, sing, sing. Come on and sing with me. Dance, dance, dance. Now with a smile, let's ooh la la. Sing, sing, sing. Love is a treasure.
And close! Alright, very good kids lang, of course, Lala Chan. Okay, kids, sit down muna tayo, please, kasi ibibigay na ni Lala Chan ang kanyang giveaway.
Hello, my friends, let's ooh la la.
Okay, kids, when I say open, you will say please. Get it? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, open! Surprise! Okay, kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, yung nakasit down lang daw. Sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, nakasit down lang daw yung bibigyan niya. Okay, very good. We have here okay. When you say if someone gives you something, you will say, thank you, very good. Welcome, Kuya.
Katros lang.
Okay, kids, tabi tayo dun kay Lala Chan kasi mag-group picture tayo with Lala Chan. Can you come closer to Lala Chan, kids? Go up there, come closer to Lala Chan. Parents and guardians, pwede po tayo dito sa harap ng ating mga kids to take the best angle of our picture, kids.